Hi, good evening. Welcome to Stock Market Fundas. Let's start the analysis with the Nifty chart. Nifty, again, it is a spinning top candle. If you see on a 15 minutes time frame or on a 30 minutes time frame, the whole day Nifty was sideways. Later on, it tried to break the range and move towards the its resistance zone, that is 780 to 800. And tomorrow, first looks at the option chain. What option chain is saying is, now call writers have even uh, wrote the 17,000 call option. So 17,800 and above will be the resistance, and for the support side 17,600 and 17,500. Now you will say, no sir, even at 17,700 good call OI sorry, put OI is standing, but look at the call OI, that is 82. So what has happened is people have sold the call and they have sold the put. So hardly 3,000 net contracts will be like that. That means those who have sold 17,000 call and put, according to them, market may go 200 points up and 200 points down. That's it. That is why they sell a single strike price options, right? So this is, we can say 17,700 is a make or break level for tomorrow. Even if you look at your chart also, 17,700 is right now, I can say, is support. So tomorrow, let's wait which direction Nifty might go, because tomorrow is a monthly expiry. But what I feel personally, what I feel is we can see selling pressure tomorrow in the market. Yes, there might be sell in the market, because if you see today, why the movement didn't happen, all the world, even Dow was down, every market was in red, but our Nifty has shown recovery and it didn't fall. Reason, if you see, back to back 3 days there were red candle, so this is a halting candle. So it holds the moment. The next day again there is chance that we can see a continuous selling. Now let's see, because high or low will be important. So tomorrow below 600 we will see for the selling opportunity, and above 800 we'll see a buying opportunity. But in between, then this is your resistance zone. You say reversal, then sell. This is your support zone. If you see a reversal from here, you buy. Right? 17,700. Those who wrote, according to them, expiry might be near 17,700 plus or minus 1,500 points. Right? That is the reason they have sold the same strike price call and put. Now, if we move towards the bank nifty yesterday, good selling pressure was seen. Then a sharp recovery in the from the lower level was seen. Today gap down and try to recover. But please understand, still bulls have not control of bank nifty until this 3862 or 38,100 is crossed. Till then, on every rise, you can think of sell. And you can draw a trend line here, and if this trend line is broken, then this will be a more confirmation of shorting, right? This is with respect to your bank nifty. Now look at the few stocks which are looking good to trade tomorrow. The first stock is ABFRL, which we have done BTST and almost 5-6,000 profit also came. But few people might be holding, so that is the reason I have taken this call, this stock, just to show the reason. If you look at the chart, after many days, I can say after 52 week, it might break tomorrow. It may create a new high. So if stocks start trading above the high which it has made today, that is your 633 or 634, we can say, or moreover 635. Above 635, your stock will show a good movement. Moreover, the stock has formed a head and shoulder kind of pattern, And if this neckline or this resistance zone is broken, then you may see a good upside movement in the stock. And this long term trend line, it stock is respecting every time. Whenever it is going, it is respecting and moving. So even you see this swing also, it has respected and it has moved up. So tomorrow, high possibility if the stock moves above 235, then you may see a good upside move in the stock. And in the whole day, there was a good volume in the stock. So tomorrow there might be a breakout. One stock which is looking good to me is the ABFRL Aditya Birla Fashion. You can watch on it. The next stock which is looking good to me is from the banking sector, that is SBI. If you look at the SBI, there was a rounding up, then it didn't try to break, reversed, and now a handle is formed. So it's a cup and handle formation. Now, if tomorrow the neckline, which is 765, sorry, 465, above that, we can see a good upside movement in SBI. The second stock again from the banking sector, that is City Union Bank. If you look at the chart of the City Union Bank, from many days the stock was into this range 161. Now this you can take positional as well, and you can buy positional call option also of 160. If the stock starts trading above 162 and sustains above 162, you can see stock moving towards 172 to 180 levels. And if once this range is broken with the volume, then you may see stock giving a good bounce. So this is one stock which is looking good to me for trading tomorrow and for positional as well. The next stock is from the finance sector, that is L&T Housing, L, LT Finance Holding. That is, if you look at the chart, there is a shoulder, then there is a held, and there is again a shoulder. And stock is again near the neckline. If it gives a breakout, then probably what will be your target is, even positionally you can watch the stock. The target will be the size of the head, and once it is broken, then your target will be 105 from here. So stock tomorrow if start trading about 90.6 or 91, then positionally you can see stock touching 100 and 105 levels. This is one stock which is looking for the trading as well as for positional. The next stock is again from the finance sector, that is Chola Finance. Chola Finance, if you look, if the move from it, there was move and 50% it has retailed and it has given a bounce from it. So 50% retracement is a healthy retracement. We say in technical analysis 0.2362 to 50% is a very healthy retracement, and stock has given bounce from that level. And on lower time frame, if you see, there is again a buying in the stock with volume. So tomorrow the high which it has made, that is around 577, 578, or moreover we can say 580. Above 580 the stock is looking good, and it may again move towards the 590 and 600 levels. This is one stock one which you can watch on. The next stock which is looking good to me is Astral. If you look at the chart structure of the Astral, almost I can say a month, the whole September month, it was in a range. And please remember, if it's in range from a 1 month and if it's giving a breakout, then the stock will give a good momentum, because continuously in a one particular range, if any stock stays and if gives breakout with volume, then the target will be very big. Almost I can say it may touch 2500 as well if this is given breakout with volume. So this is one stock which you can look for the trading opportunity. The first target will be 22 2300 if this level is broken, right? The next stock which is looking good to me is IOC chart. If you look, the stock was in a I can say in a channel, it was traveling in a channel, and recently a rounding cup formation is made. Today it has given a breakout with volume on 75 minutes chart. If you look at the stock, then there was a breakout of the volume, then a consolidation, and then again it is ready for the next move. Then this stock is looking good to me for the trading purpose. If tomorrow the stock, if it start trading above the high which it has made, that is which is around 128. Then above 128 we can see 130, 132 levels in the stock with 2 rupees stop loss. 1 is to 2, we can keep the target. The next stock which is looking good to me is, I think, or okay, HDFC Life. If you look at the HDFC Life, this the main candle. If you see from this candle, it has taken the support and was in consolidation from almost a week. Now if you look at the stock, it is in a range from, I can say, almost a week, and today try to move out. So tomorrow if it starts sustaining above 740, then we may see a good upside movement up to 745, 750 levels. The next stock which is looking good to me is IGL. Even IGL is looking good to me as a position. If you look at the stock, whenever the stock comes at this range, we see a bounce in the stock, and after a good correction, a hammer candlestick is formed on the support, which 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 indicates that stock is ready for the reversal. This is the first bounce, and you can see a good bounce has come, and in the last 3 hours there was a good buying in the stock with volume. So tomorrow if the stock start trading about 520, then we may see a good movement in the stock towards the upside. So this is one more stock which is looking good to me for trading purpose. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day ahead.